2 plus 2 multiplied by 2.
My friend recommends collagen. She's 52 but she looks really young. She said it because of collagen supplement. Most probably you met her. Mary. She's mother of 6.
Yes, of course I remember her. She's definitely looking after her skin and the body. And I also saw her Instagram photos. She was sharing food sheet and supplements she take. She's amazing.
Yes, she probably do. But main thing, she supplements with collagen. That's why she looks very young for her age.
Collagen plus vitamin C multiplied by copper equals what? It's giving me a headache.
I spoke to my client and asked her permission. Is it okay to share with you and tell you that we are working together? And she said yes. So we are working together for a very long time. She comes to my gym twice, sometimes 3 times a week, and she regularly see my clinic twice or 3 times a month.
Do you think her looks because of collagen?
Diet, exercise, supplements, and she's consistent. Her looks is definitely not because of collagen supplements. It's a combination of everything she does. She exercises regularly, she eats healthily, and she take multivitamins, vitamins, and she also did with me IV multivitamins and other IV therapies. So I think it's a combination of everything. Collagen doesn't make your skin look younger. Collagen is more for joints. It's not for the skin when we supplement. Yes, so our skin do have a lot of collagen, but supplementing collagen, it's different. Collagen powder supplements, it's great for IBS. It's fantastic if you have some digestion problem or SIBO, something like this. But with the skin, it might benefit, but not as much as people think.
Where do I buy it? How do I use it?
If you want collagen to be effective, you need to take collagen, copper, and vitamin C. It's like 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2. And by the way, what is your answer?
Adults these days.
If you want to get full benefit of collagen, I will add the link at the description below, so buy the right one. And don't buy very expensive collagen, because a lot of people do and thinking the more expensive the collagen, the better it is. It's not true. Collagen is collagen, and you don't need to spend ridiculous amount of money. As long as it's combined with vitamin C, copper, you will get maximum absorption and brilliant results.
So have you figured it out? What's 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2?
Let's get to the 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2. Most people will say 8, but we do multiplication first. So 2 times 2, 4, and then 2 plus 4, 6. Simple and easy. And now let's get to the second question. Collagen plus vitamin C multiplied by copper equals healthy joints and a healthy gut. Our bacteria or gut bodies loves collagen supplement. So if you have problem with your digestion, or as I said, SIBO, IBS, supplementing collagen will benefit you a lot. And back to youth. Collagen does help your skin, but when we supplement collagen, we don't get that effect as we use collagen serums or hyaluronic acid. This way our skin benefits massively. But supplementing collagen is totally different. Next time when someone will say to you, my skin is youthful, is not because of their collagen supplements, it's because of their diet, exercise, And if they do IV therapy, which is brilliant, it's more effective than supplementing in the capsule forms. IV therapy is much more effective than taking one capsule containing multivitamins. You don't absorb this, so they're not as effective as IV therapy. I hope you like this video. It's a little bit different, and my kids involved in this video too. Thank you for watching, and if you have any suggestions, ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comment below.
See you tomorrow in cleaning and the training session on Friday.
I'm sure you like this video. Please don't forget to press like, subscribe and little red bell button so you receive notification each time I release a new video. Thank you for watching. Look after your health, look after your body, because your health is your wealth, and I will see you tomorrow.